clung to a blindfold and a book. I couldn't think, I couldn't look. A car careening off the road. I spoke like a riddle in a dream. My heart was pumping gasoline. I still was sleeping when I woke. Oh. My head ran away and then my heart, the whole caboodle fell apart. I didn't notice I was gone. But now there is music, there is light, and there is laughter, there is sight. I am new and I am strong. Scrub away my callous thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. I thought that I knew it all before. My cup was spilling on the floor. I had to pour it down the drain. Now I can fill it up anew with something real, with something true. I'm standing naked in the rain. Ooh, free me, scrub away my callous thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. Beginner's mind will see that there's a forest for the trees, and that we're smaller than the sum of who we are. With a whisper or a shout, the voice will shake you in and out and leave you empty as a midnight boulevard. Thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. Bonjour, mon ami, the sweetest thing to hit parade. Would you spend a little time with me today? Bonjour, ma chérie, I love it when you talk to me, though I don't understand a single word you say. Your accent sounds so bourgeoisie to a hick like me from Tennessee, but you make me feel just like $1,000,000 francs. It's like money in the bank. Bonjour, mon ami, would you give me back my joie de vivre and let me bid adieu to lonely days? Bonjour, ma chérie, the time for love is aujourd'hui. I wanna see just what a French kiss ought to be. So maybe I can't parlez-vous français, just take me anyway. We both can't speak the language of love, so let's get this conversation on the road. Bonjour, mon ami, you shouldn't slap my face, you see, 'cause in America, that means that you are mad. And then you show me how to find the door, I guess that's what they call them all. So for now it's just adieu to mon ami. So for now it's just just to do them on to me. Once I had this dream that I was standing in Osaka. There was a geisha and a refugee. And deep down in her pocket there was a tarnished silver locket, and the picture frame had always been empty. She takes that refugee to town and keeps her eyes down on the ground, as if she's waiting for the earth to open up and pull the geisha and that man into the cauldrons of Japan, beneath the streets that only serve to keep the gravity at bay. She talks, I sleepwalk, and I did not hear a thing. Oh, I did not hear a thing. Once I had this dream, there were two star-crossed teenage lovers trying to keep their secrets safe from everyone. 'Cause if the parents ever learned this, they would slash and they would burn this, and everything they know would be undone. So they hid beneath the bleachers, out of view from all the teachers, as the marching band played Hail to the Team. It was the last game of the season, and they were shaking, they were freezing. There was nothing but their bodies in between. She talks, I sleepwalk, you know, I did not hear a thing. Oh, I did not hear a thing. Oh, she's wide awake. So why am I asleep? She's wide awake. So why am I asleep? Once I had this dream that I could see inside your mind, and all the mysteries unraveled like a thread. Once I had this dream that I could see inside my own mind, past an aisle and the walls inside my head. And it all was making sense as I let go of my defenses, and I saw the world for what it really was. And I opened up my eyes to see the end of the disguise, but I was blind before I even saw a thing. She talks, I sleepwalk, you know, I did not hear a thing. Oh, I did not hear a thing.